Okay, we're on Promenade Deck 5 in the very back of the ship. This is the Burgundy Lounge. It becomes a comedy club at night. I'm trying to talk over the music that's playing so we don't have any copyright issues. This place gets filled up and then there's a line out there and they won't let extra people in because of COVID. So keep that in mind. That might affect your plans. We have not been able to get in, but we only tried once. Of course, down there is the one of the dining rooms. So, see, and then in here is the karaoke room. Check that out. It's called The Song. Rear or aft elevator lobby. Sam's Piano Bar. This seat closed. See? That's a piano bar for you. So we're going to head forward on deck 5. Right? Now this is the Caliente dance club or disco, but they have art shows in there all the time. So I don't know if anybody ever uses that for anything but art shows. Hi. This is Bonsai Sushi Bar. I have not eaten here. It costs extra. Outside right there is Guy's Pig and Anchor. Now it's only open on sea days and it's only open for like 4 hours. But it is really good and you should try it. This is the coffee bar. They charge extra for it. This area is called Ocean Plaza. The Alchemy Bar is over that way. There's another bar here and a coffee bar.
Morning.
Hi. Let me get one of these. Those are big hot tubs on the sides of the ship out there. Big hot tubs. So this goes all the way back to there. Alchemy Bar. Let's cut through here. Of course, bands perform here. We play trivia here most of the time. This is the Internet Cafe, Fun Hub. Through there are the midship elevators. And this is the casino, so I'm going to try to be discreet as possible and rush through here. Plus there's music playing. So, and that machine wants me to look at that. I will tell you that it's a big casino with new machines, and downstairs on deck 4 there's another casino with non-smoking. This is the smoking casino. Plus I won $400 on that last night. So we're at sea, so the casino's open and it goes all the way over there. And now we've reached the atrium. So we're gonna go past the atrium. These are the shops. Carnival Store, Hip Fish, Front Street. And that's the ATM. Forward elevators. I'm gonna be daring and walk into the theater if I can. This is the very upstairs of the theater, the balcony. You can enter the theater on decks 5, 4, and 3. 3 would be the floor down there. That's the stage. Let's go back out. Let's cross over. So, we're on deck 5. Stairs and elevators, forward. You can go outside there. Of course, you can go outside on a lot of places on deck 5. Deck 5 is the promenade, the outdoors promenade, although you can't walk all the way forward on it. So, stores, check your account, glass elevators. They have bands perform there. Carnival store, Hip Fish, Cherry on Top is a candy store. And they have these spiral staircases. During the day, they're easy to walk down. At night, those lights, well, for me, make it more difficult, actually. But anyway. This is the Pixel photo gallery. There'll be pictures all the way around. See them? They're putting them out right now. Band plays here. This is not easy for me. The other restaurant is here, Crimson. The one down at the other end was the Scarlet restaurant. That's the service desk, guest services. This is the lobby bar. I'm now in the main lobby. You can see it goes way up there. I show you up there in other videos. Here comes a glass elevator. That's the shore excursion desk, which they call Carnival Adventures. Lots of couches here. More internet cafe. There's another one. A couple computers on each side for you to use. Anyway, so this is Gareth. Let's take that off. So Gareth from Port Monkey's saying, Port Monkey's out from the Carnival Dream. See you in the next port. Bye.